realized I've been recording absolutely nothing. I am in Front Royal, Virginia. Left this morning around 8 o'clock and rode up here to ride Skyline Drive. So Skyline Drive, if you're not familiar with the Shenandoahs, it's not really mountains per se, but I mean, compared to what we have on the coast, it's mountains, but more like rolling hills, I guess. Nothing like the Smokies or the Rockies or anything like that. I got to stop up here. I think I can get in here free. I have a disabled veteran pass, so we'll see. Oh, first little bit of wildlife there. There's a deer just walking in the road. I hope we don't see too many of those just walking in the road and decide to walk out in front of me. So yeah, I got in free, which is cool. If you are a disabled veteran, you need to look into getting an Access America pass. If you go to recreation.gov, or if you have any national parks around you that have an office, you can go in there and apply. It's a pretty simple process. I think some of them might require your VA letter, but you get your Access Pass for free, and you get a lot of stuff for free, like Skyline Drive. It's 25 bucks for a motorcycle. So I got it for free, and then I'm going to camp here in the national park at one of the campgrounds, and I'll get that half price. I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of switchbacks on this road. There might be. That's it. Welcome to Skyline Drive. Hope you enjoyed the ride again, and just going to kick back and enjoy. So, just got on Skyline Drive, and a little picnic area as soon as you get on there. So, welcome center up there. I'm going to loop back and go to the welcome center. We're going to stop here and have my lunch. Been a nice ride so far. It's overcast, but it's comfortable. So, hopefully the rain will hold off, and I'll stay dry and be able to get down to campground and get set up without any rain.
Alright, made it to my campground, right in the middle of Skyline Drive. It's a campground called Big Meadows. I guess it's kind of close to Luray, Virginia. Pretty nice campground, pretty good day. Overcast most of the day. Beautiful temperature, 70 something degrees. A little bit humid, and the last 15 minutes of the ride, and if you ride, you know what that meant. It rained, so I had to stop and put on my rain gear and get to the campsite, and rain stopped. So got everything all set up. I'll spin the camera around here and you can see what the campsite looks like. It's pretty nice. I got a bear box. They said they have an active bear in the campground, so yeah, we'll be putting everything in the bear box tonight. I just want me in the tent, and that way he's not coming around looking for a picnic basket or something. So a lot of gnats flying around. But so I'll spin this around. So got my tent set up. There's my little camp chair and the bear box. So they just said put pretty much everything in there, toiletries, food, whatnot. So got everything in there. Got me a bundle of wood. Hopefully it'll hold out tonight and I'll be able to get me a little fire going. Skyline Drive is a really nice ride. I've never ridden it, and I mean, it's a beautiful ride. It's not too high in elevation, has a few little switchbacks, but the speed limit's only 35. So it is a very slow cruise. So if you're looking for something that is, you know, floorboard dragging and stuff like that, probably not Skyline Drive, but some really nice pull-offs, some nice views, but a nice leisurely ride. So pretty much third and fourth gear, the whole halfway between Front Royal and Afton here at Big Meadows. So tomorrow morning I'll get up and ride the last of the ride, and then just get on the highway and shoot back home. I'm hoping to be home around, hopefully no later than 2. Alright, I'm going to make a little supper. I got my thing of propane here. A little propane. A little camp stove. And I got the stove at Walmart. A little inexpensive camp stove. And then this cool little mess kit. My wife got it for me. She found it on Amazon. It's got a little skillet, a little pot, a little cleaning sponge, a little spatula, and some little bowls. So we are going to cook a hamburger. It's already cooked. I'm just going to reheat it. Alright, so I've got me a pre-cooked hamburger. It's a little, cooked it last night on the grill. And we're just going to warm it up. Okay, that'll stay up there. Put this lid on it. And we'll be eating a hamburger here soon. Got some coffee over here brewing. Should have some coffee here soon. It's a misty morning. Stayed dry. So sat up last night, had a fire. But I think it's going to be a damp day. But I'm going to enjoy it still. So I'm just going to start the day off in rain gear. And that way I just have it on. It's a little cool this morning. And I'll enjoy my ride home. So that's it. I think our coffee's done. It's about that time. Have a little coffee.
All right, we are off. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Just packed up camp, leaving Big Meadows campground, heading back out the Skyline Drive. Kind of an uneventful night. Didn't get much sleep. Just talks of bears in the campground. They had us sign a piece of paper when we showed up. And this morning about 3:30, rangers were driving all around with their lights on, and I don't know what was going on, but it seemed something was up. But it's going to be a wet day. Don't know how much video I'm going to get. It's starting to rain right now, so I just left, so I'm going to pull over and put on rain gear, and we'll see what we get on the way out.